Hey, what's up, guys? Out here this morning on a beautiful Monday morning, nice and cool for once, thank God. Whew, it's been hot. Anyways, on this first job, I want to show you what we got going on here. Kind of hard to see in the video, but she got a little bit of dirt on her. I'm going to take care of this driveway right here for this customer also. Got a little bit of dirt. This is mainly the dirty side right here. You usually got that one side of the house that's dirtier than the rest, I'm sorry. So, walk through here, take a look at what all we got here. At the back. So we're gonna get all this nice and clean for them. But enough talking. Let's get cleaning. All right, guys, we're gonna take a look at the finished all that's nice and clean. You know how we do, nice and clean. Ain't gonna leave no house dirty. Even hit the fence a little bit down there too. Came out looking good. Sorry about that, homeowner walked out. I had to take a break for just a second, but yep, let's continue. All right, not gonna be able to show you the whole house, but be able to show you majority. I also wanted to show you this driveway. It got very, very clean. Of course, it'll look 100 times better once it's dry. But take a quick walk around real fast. Nice shiny windows. There you go. Once again, we hit the fence for them too. That was very dirty. So anyways, if you need your house cleaned, need your concrete clean, need your business clean, fencing, decks, you know, whichever. We do quite a bit. Ask. Worst we can say is no. But get in touch with us, 843-291-6766. You can also contact us on online at carolinahydroblasterllc.com and all your major social media. Y'all have a good one. See you next cleaning.